So how does adding polynomials and perimeter go together? Well, perimeter is the outside edges added up. Okay, so if I'm talking about a yard and I want to put a fence around my yard, well, that's an example of perimeter because you're going to fence in the outside edges. You're going to figure out what is my length. Let's say it's a rectangle. So this one has a length of 9x plus 2. Then this side would also be 9x plus 2. This one has a length of 2x minus 3. So this side also has to have a length of 2x minus 3. So perimeter means to add the outside edges. So if I have a rectangle, you have the length, and they're both going to be the same. And then you have the width. They're both going to be equal. So one way you can figure out perimeter is L plus L plus W plus W. Well, my L's and my W's are my like terms. They're the same. I have two of those. So perimeter is equal to 2L plus, same goes with the W, 2W. And that's your formula for a rectangle. Okay, so let's look at these application problems. So number 7 says find the perimeter of the triangle below. So a triangle has the 3 sides, and we're going to add all 3 sides up. So I'm going to add the 6x plus 1 plus the 5x plus the 3x squared plus the 2. Now, just to show you a different way on adding polynomials, notice instead of me lining them up horizontally, I've lined them up vertically. Notice also how I've put like terms directly underneath each other. So when I'm combining like terms here, the 3x squared stands alone. It doesn't go with anything. There's no other quadratic terms. So my first term that I have is my 3x squared. But then also notice how I have the linear terms of a 6x and a 5x. So do you see how I've lined them up together? So when I combine 6x and 5x, that's going to combine to make 11x. And then last is the constants. So I have the 2 and the 1 are my constants. I'm going to combine them, and we're going to have a 3. So the perimeter of this triangle is 3x squared plus 11x plus 3. So see what you can do for number 8. We talked about the perimeter of a rectangle. So number 8 says find the perimeter of the rectangle below. So this is your you try.